Thomas,
Yeah.
what are we seeing here in the demo?
So here we see, if you go around in the fair, you have a lot of 6-axis kinematic robots. And what we see here are 4-axis kinematic robots. So what we did, we cut off 2 axes. That means we have a lot of dynamics more with it, and we have a lot of payload in it, but we have 2 degrees of freedom less. But a lot of our customers are happy with that anyway. And so it's good for our energy consumption with resources, and so that combined with our internal media channels and our data connections up in the front, the customer is free to do whatever he wants.
Okay. And we also have a pneumatic and an electric gripper to show the flexibility here, right?
Yes, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else can we see here?
So here we have a 3-axis kinematic chain. So you see the robot can only move in a 2-dimensional space, but on our work flow and our working area is much bigger due to our endless rotation in our whole system. And so we have 2 link modules integrated and 3 of our motor modules integrated to move freely in the whole working space. And we have our vision system integrated, so to get more flexibility.
Ah, okay, perfect. At the front, this isn't even a robot. What is so special about this rotary indexing table?
So at the one hand, is what we show here is again our internal media channels with endless rotation and how much flexibility the customer has on the end system. And that's basically it, to show a lot of flexibility and to show the customer that we only can build 1-axis systems up to 2-axis, 3-axis systems, so that he can do whatever he wants with us.
And usually it's not so easy to have like integrated fluids with the endless rotation,
yes,
right?
That's it.
Okay. I can't see any control cabinet here, so how is the robot controlled?
So in this case, all those 3 robots are controlled with one industrial computer right here. And we have one power supply for our robot, that's 48 volts. And that's basically everything you need for 3 robots or up to a big machine. So you have one main industrial PC and can control your whole machine, including all your robots you have in your application.